Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your account on this. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Discord here. So as you can see, I'm going to write the Discord, and after writing the Discord, you have to press the enter. So as you can see, the website of Discord is open. If you want to download, so you have to click on the download, and if you want to open the account on browser, so you have to click on the link, and you need to open the link. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, like if you want to download or if you want to login, so for example, I'm going to click on the login. So let's click on this. So as you can see, here's the option for the login. If you want to login, so you have to provide the details, or if you want to register and you want to create a new account, so in this way you have to provide the details. For example, I'm going to provide the details, and now you have to write the email, and now you have to write display name, and after that you have to write the username, that what should be your username. For example, I'm going to write this. So as you can see, I have written this one, and after that you have to provide the password. For example, I'm going to provide the password like this, and now we need to select the birth date. And for example, I'm going to select the birth date. So I'm going to write the birth date, and now what we have to do, we have to select this option. So after providing details, you just have to click on the continue, and your details will be provided, and after that you have to verify the email, and your account will be ready to use. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how we can create account on Discord. So see you guys in the next video.